Hey there. Hey guys. Welcome to the new video. I've been wearing the same shirt for about 3 days now, maybe even longer. We're gonna break those chairs over there.
Okay, let's begin.
Hey, you wanna see? Wait, no, wait. It's gonna be so freaking epic.
This is what you get, Obama. Stupid Obamacare.
You killed my grandma.
Fuck. This won't come off. Like, what the hell?
Jesus Christ. What's the sharp part for? Oh, it's for that. Jesus Christ. This is what I do to women. Take this, Obama. You killed my grandma. I don't know.
You're fucking gay. Touchdown.
Wow, good throw, Steve. Slam dunk.
Niggers.
Epic. Kobe.
Niggers.
This is for, I don't know. It's a good bludgeoning weapon. Yeah, Jesus. He's my boy. God of thunder. Shit.
I'm Thor, the god of Coochie.
Hey, he actually got one instead of being a stupid Oh,
Jesus fuck.
Steve, we missed that part.
When you forget to eat your meat. When your parents walk in when you're beating your meat. No. Fucking hell. Max doesn't respect women, so if I see Max not respecting women. That's it. Did you see this? That's your head, Max.
It's a good thing my head's a pillow.
Shut the frick up. What even is this? What is this material?
It's hardly stuffed, you know? It's like the kind of stuff my mattress is made out of.
Penis?
Yes.
Ugh. I hate you, Mom. I hate you.
Hole in 69.
Shit.
Hole in. You hurt me. Look, I missed again.
Stupid Mexican.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this epic...
I hate woman.
What the... Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video of us...
Shut up, camera slave.
Oh fuck!